Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Let's make Achari Paneer Tikka roll today. We'll make the tikkas first and then roll them up in a flaky paratha. Delicious! Remember to subscribe to my channel for interesting and easy recipes. I have here all-purpose flour. I'll just add in some salt. Add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add in water as required. And knead a soft dough. Cover it and let the dough rest for 15 to 20 minutes. I am using 2 blocks of paneer. So 12 from one block and 12 from the other block. Some onions, capsicums and tomatoes cut into square pieces or large chunks. For the marination, hung curd, mixed pickle, about that much is okay. And instead of using ginger garlic paste, I decided to use this garlic pickle. Now the spices. I have some turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, dried fenugreek or kasuri methi and some garam masala powder. I'll add in some roasted gram flour. I just dry roasted the gram flour on low heat so that the raw smell goes away. I'll also add in some mustard oil. Give it a mix. Try and break down the bigger pickle pieces. That smells really good. I wish you could smell it too. I'll just add in the paneer pieces. Have you subscribed to my channel already? Coat them well. Just season it with salt. Mix it again. Take out the paneer pieces and put it into another bowl. Let the extra marination remain in this bowl. Add in the tomatoes, capsicum and the onion pieces. Leave this to marinate too. Let's start building the Achari Paneer Tikka. Onion, tomato, paneer, capsicum. Repeat with the onion, paneer, capsicum, onion, more onion, tomato, paneer, capsicum. There goes one skewer. Put it to a side. Get on with the rest of them. All the skewers are prepared. Now it's time to cook them. I'll just lightly brush the pan with some oil. Once the pan is nice and hot, just place the skewers. Just brush them with some oil on this side before flipping them over. Just lower the heat before you turn it over, otherwise the steam really gets to your hand. We'll cook them till they get this nice color on all the sides. The skewers are nicely charred on all sides now. You just take them out and keep them aside. The next batch goes in. Let's get back to the dough. Knead it briefly. Form balls out of it. I'll use some vegetable oil and dry all-purpose flour. Use a bit of flour on the work surface. Using a brush, apply some oil all over. Sprinkle some flour over it. And all we have to do now is just roll it up. Apply some oil here, some flour, and roll it so that the oil side goes inside, like so. So leave this aside and get on with the next one. And roll out the covering. I think this is a good size. Just check. That's perfect. Time to cook them. Heat the pan. The bubbles have started to appear. Brush it with some oil. The next one goes in. That's done too. We will also require some very thinly sliced bell peppers and some pickled onions. You can make this really easily. Just slice the onions thinly and add some lemon juice to it. Mix it well and let it marinate for about an hour. Once all the components are ready, we'll just start building the roll. Add in some pickled onions and some bell peppers for the crunch, some mint chutney, and just roll it up. I suggest you make the roll right in front of the people to whom you are serving. That makes it even more appealing. Trust me. I'm just using a kitchen towel to wrap up the roll. You could use butter paper instead. If you like the recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends. There you have it, Achari Paneer Tikka and roll. Serve the tikka as a party snack, roll it up and you have a meal. Remember to subscribe to my channel for interesting and easy recipes.